If you're just starting out and you need to grow your subscribers, I got a couple of tips that you can do right now to help you grow your subscribers. Let's get going. Hey guys, I'm Gwendolyn and I'm the content creator's best friend. I'm here to simplify video creation for you with interviews, reviews, hacks, and of course, tips for YouTube. Before we get going, go ahead and comment below and let me know how many subscribers you have and what your goal is for this year. The first one is a branding watermark, and anyone can do it no matter how many subscribers you have, and it's super easy to find. Okay guys, so we're inside my computer and I want to go ahead and show you how to add your branded watermark. You can do this no matter how many subscribers or views you have. So I want you to go into your Creator Studio. And once you're in there, you're going to go to Channel. And you're going to go to Branding. And from there, we're going to add our watermark. I already have one, so I'm going to remove it so that you guys can see exactly what it looks like. So you're going to add watermark. I use a picture that is not on a background, a transparent background, so that it's actually more prominent. So you can choose to do whatever you want. This is just a suggestion, and either one works. And I am uploading this picture. So this is 800 by 800 pixels, and it should be able to just fit right there in the center. It looks great. Let's get going. We're going to save, and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. You can adjust this. There's three options. You can do this at the end of the video. You can do a custom start time and have it start at a certain point with every video. Or you can do the entire video. I like doing the entire video, but again, you can do whatever you see fit. If you do the custom start time, then I recommend sometime near the beginning. You can do 2 seconds in or 1 second in, whatever it may be. But I'm going to go ahead and do the entire video. We're going to update that. And let's just jump into my channel so that you can see exactly what it looks like. It should start right away. Yep, there we go. It started with the video. My custom subscribe, and anyone who hovers over it, whether they're looking right here from just the front page of my channel or they're inside the video. So let's go inside a video and you guys can see that as well. And there it goes. Pops up. Perfect, guys. Okay, so my next tip involves a little trick that you can do when you're sharing your channel. You do have to have a custom URL, and in order to get a custom URL, you have to have 100 subscribers, you have to have that channel art and your channel icon. So let's go to my channel and I'll just show you what that's all about. So you need to have channel art, you need to have your icon, and you also have to have at least 100 subscribers in order to claim your URL. So if you don't already have your URL, go to Creator Studio, go back to this channel section, and from your status and features, I want you to scroll down to custom URL and make sure that you've claimed it. Mine is Gwendolyn Gay. I have already claimed it, but all you're going to do is just enable that feature, claim whatever URL you want, and then we can get going with this. So what I want you to remember is this really cool, and this is a trick that I got from another YouTuber. If you don't already follow Sunny Lenarduzzi, she's freaking amazing, so definitely go check out her channel. I'll put a link in the description below to her channel. She has great tips for YouTube. So what I want you to remember is youtube.com/subscription_center?add_user equals, and after the equals, you're going to go ahead and put your custom URL that you just claimed. And with that, let's press enter and I'll show you exactly what it looks like. So basically with that URL, you're automatically asking people to subscribe to your channel, which is fantastic because as soon as they come in, they see this red subscribe button, and a lot of people just go ahead and subscribe because it's just really easy at that point for them to subscribe. They can't see the rest of your channel until they choose one or the other, and subscribe is in red, cancel is in gray. So anyway, it's a really great tip that you can use. I will put the link, the URL that you need to use in the description below so that you can add it to your custom URL and you can start sharing your channel and add subscribers this way.
I hope you guys implement these things right away and grow your subscribers. Don't forget to let me know how many subscribers you want to get to by the end of the year. And of course, like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you can see more tips and tricks just like this. And I will see you next time.